everyone, it's your girl Franz and welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and please hit the subscribe button and share this video to your friends or family members or like anyone on the internet. For today's video, I found a video on YouTube on how to make a super simple and quick recipe with one of my favorite treats, Oreos. This recipe is super simple and it only requires 2 ingredients and a few utensils, so let's get on to this video. Today we'll be making Oreo popsicles. These popsicles are amazing. They only require 2 ingredients and only require a few utensils, which you can easily find around your house. So this is a quick and easy summer treat because it was pretty hot in my area recently, but as you can see my background, it also rained a little while ago. We've been getting a bit more colder weather recently, which is great because it has been burning hot. That's why we weren't able to film also. But I am so glad to be back. You can also use this recipe for business purposes if ever because it is also super cheap to make. Okay, let's get on with this video. So for the first step, we are of course going to need Oreos. And you are going to need something to mash the Oreos with. I'll be using a rolling pin. You can use really anything to mash your Oreos. I'm just using this rolling pin. And you can also chop it to whatever texture you feel like is best. I'm currently feeling around if there are any chunks because I don't want it to be like fully mashed, like kind of graham cracker cheesecake crust type of crush. But I want it to kind of be a little chunky so that we have some chunks, you know, for texture. For the next step, I'll be taking our Oreo bags and kind of shaking them to get the crumbs to the bottom of the bag so that when we cut the top, which we are going to cut the top, so that we'll have somewhere to put the popsicle sticks in. It won't all of a sudden burn. Oh, I'll clean that up later, it's fine. I've seen this video a lot on YouTube, but I haven't seen a lot of, it's not that popular, I guess, and I don't really know why. This is such a genius recipe, like 2 simple ingredients, 2 delicious ingredients, and it's super fast and easy to make, super cheap, like literally. It only costs like, I don't know how much this costs, but it's super cheap from the prices that I've seen when we were buying this. I just forgot though. But yes, this is a very good recipe. You should definitely try it out if ever. Anyone you bring this to will love you immediately. Trust me. Okay, so now let's move on to the final step. Well, not the final step. We're near the final step. Okay, you can use a liquid measuring cup, but I prefer to use this because it's much easier to control. And I'm just going to put this milk into or pack. It's okay. I'm okay. And then there we are. Once you're done with all of these, the cookies will have gotten soft enough so that when we stick our popsicles in, it won't end up moving around. Don't worry if you get some spillage in there. It's okay to get a bit messy sometimes. This could also be a fun activity for you and your friends to do, or maybe you and your children to do. This is super simple to make, so it won't require too much supervision. Okay, so now we are moving on to the final step. We are going to take popsicle sticks, and now I'm going to take these popsicle sticks and just stick them in there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Bada bing, bada boom, 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 bam, bam. And now we are set to put it in the freezer. Like I said, it's super fast. The only thing that will take long is freezing it, but if you have a pretty cold freezer, it might take a little long to freeze. Depends on your freezer, on your fridge slash freezer. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in before I create a bigger mess. Okay. Okay. Since it takes quite a while to freeze it, well, depends on your freezer slash fridge. I already pre-made some. Now I'm going to show you how the final product looks like. It could be whiter than this, But I kind of mashed my Oreos a bit too much for this one, but it's okay. And this is the final product. Since it is starting to warm up around me, I'm going to try to eat this as fast as I can. Okay, now let's try it. I've tried this already before and it is really, really good. Okay, cheers! That is super, super good. You can definitely taste the Oreo, and the Oreo is definitely the main attraction in this. It's kind of like milk and Oreos, you know, when you dip the Oreos in the milk. But it's kind of, it has a twist, and it's a genius twist. It's so cold. It is super, super good. And if you want, you can instead substitute the milk with cream and milk plus like condensed milk or something. There are a bunch of variations you can do for this, and I can leave a few down below if you guys would want to try it. You can also add some sugar or condensed milk into this if you want it to be a bit sweeter, but I already find it sweet enough, so I just leave it plain like this and just add milk and Oreos. I can definitely tell you it is such a good recipe. You should definitely try it out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video to your friends, and comment down below what you think I should make next, and I will try to make it happen. I would love to hear your suggestions. Don't forget, happiness starts in the kitchen. Be positive, share love. Thank you for watching. Franz Gabriel.